Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our new listing at 2518 Cherokee Circle. This was a custom built home in the Sonoma Ranch area, conveniently located near shopping, hospitals, schools, just an absolute great location. They've taken advantage of the views here, of the sunset views. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1976 square feet, refrigerated air, has a pool in the backyard, mature landscaping. Come on in, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 2518 Cherokee Circle. This is an absolutely great home located in the Sonoma Ranch area. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. You have this incredible backyard, mature landscaping, 1976 square feet. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlascruces.com. Thanks. Have a great day.